Bro, we were just playing basketball, and the neighbor called the cops.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
What's up? Why are you guys doing this?
Why is there a helicopter outside? What? Yo, we playing basketball right now, bro. There's a helicopter outside my crib, bro. Bro, we literally hooping, bro. There's a whole ass helicopter. Nah, bro, this is crazy. This shit is circling my house. Yo.
Done.
Yeah, that's where we're going now. Yo, that, bro. Yeah, all right, bet. I got you. Yo, that's a legal ass thing to do.
Yo, what happened? We were literally just playing basketball. There's like a
I don't know.
helicopter.
Somebody called and said that there was one gunshot heard.
One gunshot? I mean,
Yeah.
it was probably just some basketballs, honestly.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe some annoyed neighbors. Like maybe you guys woke up or something.
Yeah, no, I mean, he came out, but like, he said he was gonna call an ice cream truck. I didn't know he was gonna call a helicopter on me.
He said he's calling in ice cream.
He said, if you don't stop shooting, I'm gonna call an ice cream truck in front of your house tomorrow morning. So I said, all right, bet I'm gonna buy some ice cream. The fuck? Like, what does that mean? Like, are we friends?